Okay, you're right. We're going to look at the next part of percentages, which is percentage increase and decrease. We'll just turn the lights. Okay, so with percentage increase and decrease, we're taking a quantity and we're going to make it bigger or smaller by a particular percentage. So for percentage increase, let's just say you had $40 a week for pocket money, and let's just say your parents gave you a 10% increase in that. So you would find 10% of $40, which is $4, and then your pocket money each week would then be $44, wouldn't it? Because it's got bigger by that 10%. On the other hand, let's just say your parents decreased your pocket money by 20%. So if your pocket money was $40, find 10% of that, which is 4, double that, which is 8, so that means the 20% is $8. So if we decrease your pocket money of $40 a week by 20%, we're taking $8 off, so that means you get $32 a week. So we're going to look at questions like that, and we'll look at two different methods for calculating the answer. You will need your calculator for this, and I want you to copy down everything from the board here. Okay, our first question, we're going to increase $200 by 7%. Now firstly, increase means add, it means plus. Alright, so what we're going to do first is, we're going to find 7% of $200. That's the first thing. Now, on your calculator, you actually have a percentage button. If you look just above the bracket key, so just in the middle of the calculator, you should see a percent symbol, which is coloured orange. Right, so we can actually put the percent symbol on your calculator. So let's have a go. On your calculator, you're going to press 7, then you're going to press the shift button. Shift, and then you're going to press the percent button. The percent button is just above the bracket key. Now, of means multiply in mathematics. So then you're going to press the times button, and then 200, and then equals. Okay? They're the calculator steps. If you're going to do the working out in your book, I would just be doing this, 7% times 200. Okay, in your book that's what I write down, but these are the buttons to press. So let's try that. 7, shift, percent, times 200 equals 14. Okay, so that's $14. Right, so that's the amount of your increase. You're making $200 bigger by 14. Right, so then we go $200 plus $14 equals $214. Okay, so that's your answer. Alright, now, method 2. This is a different method. So method 2, in your working out here, we should have probably put in your working out that the increase. Okay, the amount of the increase is $14. Alright, so for method 2, same question though. Now we've got to make the $200 bigger. Okay, so we're going to consider that the original amount of money is 100%. Okay, and we're going to increase that by 7%. Alright, so the original is 100 and we're going to increase by 7%, so we're adding 7%. So that means 100 plus 7 is 107%. So I can find 107% of $200. Right, this will do it all in one step. So the original 100%, which is the $200, plus an extra 7%. So that means we have on your calculator 107% times 200. So put that in, and you should get The same answer is down here, $214. Okay, so try that. Try using the percent button on your calculator. That's quicker. That's the alternative method. Either method is okay though. Alright, now question number 2. I'm going to get this to be done by you, by yourself. Alright, so question 2. I want you to increase to say 86 kilograms by 18%. Alright, so you can pause the video here, copy the question down, have a go at the question and see if you get the answer. Alright, so first things first, I'll do method 1 first. Method 1, increase means add. So I'm going to find, first of all, I'll work out what the increase is. The increase will be 18% of 86 kilograms. So in your calculator, you'll type in 18% times 86. Right? And that's kilograms there. But you're just going to put 86 into your calculator. So 18 shift percent times 86 equals 15.48 kilograms. Okay, so that's the amount of increase. So that means we're going to take our original weight then, 86 plus 15.48, add those together, kilograms. Okay, so we're going to add 86 to that, and you'll get 101.48 kilograms. Okay, that's your final answer. Right, method 2. Let's look at method 2 for the same question. So method 2, rightio. So we've got the 86 kilograms. That's our 100%, isn't it? And we're adding 18%. So we're going to find 118% of 86 kilograms. That equals, so on your calculator, 118%, multiply, and then 86. Well, let's try that. 118% times 86, 101.48 kilograms. Same answer as before. Okay, either method is fine, it's up to you. Make sure you copy all that down into your book as part of your notes. Alright, now we're going to look at a decrease question. So, I'll leave that there, I'll come over here. This will be question number 3. Okay, question number 3. I want to decrease $150 by 12%. Okay, you copy that question down. You can even pause the video now and have a go at the question. The decrease means minus, yes? So, first thing I'm going to do is calculate how much the decrease is. So the decrease will be 12% of $150. Okay, so in your calculator, type in 12% times 150. Let's work that out. $18. Okay, so that means we're going to take $18 away from 150. So $150 minus $18 is $132. So that's your final answer. So you're decreasing 150 by the 18. Alright? Now that's method 1. Method 2. 2, similar to method 1, but there's a subtraction. So you've got your original amount, which is $150. And that's 100%, isn't it? Now you're decreasing by 12%, so you're taking 12% away. Now 100% minus 12% is 88%. So you're going to find 88% of 150. Okay, in your calculator, type in 88 times 150, sorry, 88%. Let's work that out. 88 shift percent times 150 equals $132. Okay, so same as before. Either method is fine, you can choose which one you want to do, but for your notes, I want you to copy down both examples. Alright, I'll give you an example now to do by yourself. Let's have a look. This will be number 4. So pause the video, copy the notes down, and then you're going to try this one by yourself. So question number 4. I want you to decrease 284 centimetres by 28%. Okay? Right, so pause the video, have a go at that question, copy it down to your book. Alright, so method 1. So look at method 1. Method 1. So method 1, we're going to find the amount of the decrease first. Okay, here's the decrease equals. So we're going to find 28% of 284 centimetres. Alright, which is 28% times 284. Now put that into your calculator and have us see what you get for that. 28% times 284, which equals 7952. Alright, and that's centimetres. Alright, so you're going to subtract, because decrease means minus, 79.52 centimetres from 284. So 284 centimetres minus 79.52 centimetres equals, let's work it out. So you should get 204.48 centimetres. There we go. Alright, how did you go? Now let's look at method 2 for this to see if you did it this way. Remember, it's your choice. What's your preferred method? So method 2, let's have a look. Method 2, you've got 284 centimetres. Okay, that is your 100%. And you're taking 28% away. If you work that out, it's going to be 72%. So you're going to do 72% of 284 centimetres. So on your calculator, 72% times 284 centimetres. Let's try that. 72% times 284 gives you 204.48. There we go. How did you go? Right, make sure you get all that down into your book. And I'm going to give you 2 more examples to do. These will be worded questions, a bit more wordy than the other ones. So, let's have a look. This will be question number 5. Okay, question number 5. Put the calculator down, copy this down. Alright, so the price of a watch increases by 15%. If its original price was $35, find its new price. Okay, copy that question down, have a go at the question, pause the video and see if you can work that question out by yourself. Okay, so let's have a look at this. We've got a watch and the price increases by 15%. Okay, so here's my watch. Two, three, four, five, etc. Now the original price, how much? $35. Right. And it increases by 15%. Now increases means you're going to be adding 15% to this. Okay, so $35. Let's find 15. Let's work out the increase first. Increase will be 15% of $35. Alright, let's work that out. So in your calculator, 15% times 35. Let's work that out. Okay, so 15% times 35, $5.25. Okay, so that is equal to $5.25. Alright, now we're increasing, so we're taking the increase there and we're going to be adding it to the 35. Alright, so I'm going to write down new price. New price equals 35 plus $5.35, which equals, sorry if this is a bit squashy, $40.35. There we go. Alright, copy all of it down. Now we'll look at one more question. I want you to try this by yourself as well. Okay, so next question. Number 6. It says, find the price of a computer game system, maybe like the Xbox or PlayStation, originally at $420 after a 9% discount. Okay, so noisy birds there. Alright, so copy that question down and I want you to attempt it and then you can press play again and see what the solution is. Alright, so we're going to find the price of the computer game system. So originally $420. So here's my computer game system and $420 is the original price. Now there is a 9% discount. Discount means you're getting it for cheaper, so you're subtracting. So if this is my price here, and this is my 100%, I'll do this the alternative method, 100%. I'm subtracting 9%, okay, which is 91%. That means your computer game system after the discount is worth only 91% of its original price. So if you find 91% of $420, let's work that out. So 91% times $420 equals $382. Now, the calculator will just give you 0.2, but because it's a money question, you should put 2 decimal places to make that 20 cents. Okay? Alright. Now, make sure you copied all the notes down. Now, these are the questions I want you to do. And once you've done them, you're going to take a photo or scan your workbook and upload it to the Google Classroom. There's 607, and you can do questions 1 to 18, ESP. Alright, so what does that mean? You're going to do question 1, A, C, E, 2, A, C, E. You're doing every second problem. Then you're going to do 3, then you're going to do 5, then 7, then 9, 11, 13, 15, and then try those questions there. Make sure you mark your work as well so you know if you're getting it right.